Good morning, children. Yesterday what we learned? We learned place value and expanded form. And today we will do face value and comparing of two numbers. Okay. Once we will do the revision part of place value and expanded form. Then we will go to the today's class. Okay, children? See ya. Today we will do the revision part of place value of 4-digit number. Here I am writing the number. After 3 digits you will put comma. And how you will read this? 4623. Now, what is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? How you will know? First you must write the place value top. Already we learned. What is the first place? Ones. Ones means 4. Next tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 3 is underlined. So what is the place value of 3? That is in ones place. So the place value is only 3. Then what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4, how you will know? Where the 4 digit is there, in which place it is there? In thousands place. So what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4. PV means place value. Place value of 4 is 4000. Place value of 4 is 4000. Already we learned. And yesterday again one more thing, new one I will tell you for you. Place value all understood I think. Now the new one is face value. Face value. Face value is nothing but the same digit. Suppose if you see your face near to the mirror, what you will see? The same face you will see or other's face you will see? You will see a same face. Same like that. Suppose the same number I take here 4623. If they ask you the place value of 3, face value of 3, place value of 3 is 3. Face value of 3 is the same number, same only it will come. Suppose what is the face value of 6? Face value of 6 is same 6. Same number you will get. That is the face value. Place value means the values you will get. If it is in the ones place, you will get 3. If it is in the tens place, you will get 2 is there means 20. Other number is there means 1 more 0 you must add. In hundreds place, so 600 you will get. 4 in thousands place, 4000 you will get. That is the place value. Face value means the same digit you will get. That is the face value. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 2. 2 is same 2. No change at all. Same thing. Face value of 4 is 4. Now you all understood place value and the face value. Place value means you will get the values. Different values you will get. Face value means same thing you will get. That's it. Now yesterday what we learned? Expanded form. That also we will do the revision part. One number. Only one number we will do. After 3 digits you will put comma. How you will read this? Put the place value. Then it will be easy for you to read the number. 2462. So how you will write in expanded form? 2000, thousands place. So 3 zeros plus 4 in hundreds place 400, 6 in tens place 60, 2 in the ones place 2. This already we learned in yesterday only we learned this all. Place value and expanded form. Today face value you learned. Now Now one more thing also we will learn today, that is comparing numbers. How you will compare two numbers? Two numbers are there, different digit numbers will be there. How you will compare? How you will put that, whether it is greater, it is lesser, or it is equal? You must put these three signs. If it is greater, you must put this sign. If it is lesser, you must put this sign. If it is equal, both are equal, then you must put this sign. Once again we will tell you, this is greater sign. For greater, G I will write. Okay? The mouth is opened. Now this one is the lesser one. We will write L. Lesser one. If both are same, this is equal. E. Okay children? Now I will give you some examples here. First, how you will compare if it is a 4-digit or 3-digit, anything. Some rules will be there to compare the numbers. What are the rules? You all know how to put comma, that all, how to read the number, everything we learn. Now how you will compare which number is greater and which number is lesser? So how you will compare means some rules are there. So for the first step is, first you must count the digits. Count the digits. Already we learned about the digits in the first class. So first we will count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here how many digits are there? 4 digits. So 4D we will write. And here also you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also 4 digits. So 4D we will write. Both are same. But numbers are same. Huh? No. Then what you will do? First we will compare the thousands place. 4 digits means it will come thousands. So first we will compare the thousands place. We will write the place value. Then it will be easy for you to compare also. Already you know ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. First we will compare the thousands place. So here 4 is there. So here what? 2 is there. So we will write here 4 and 2. Now 4 is greater or lesser than 2? Tell me. 4 is greater or lesser than 2? 4 is greater. So which sign you will put? Like this. Mouth should be open. The same sign you will write here. 4624 is greater than 2434. Like this is one method. Understand? First step what? Count the digits. Second step what? First digit. First place you will compare and see. Now next one also we will see. All the time same like this only, it will not be. It will be different because different. So many numbers are there. So what we will do? We will write the next one also. This is the first one. Next, second example also I will give you. 867 and 9436. Here different numbers I give you. First step, what is the first rule? We must count the digits. First we will count and see. 1, 2, 3. So how many digits are there? 3 digits. So it is ones, tens, 100. So 867. Only hundreds are there here. Now we will go here also and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits. 4 digits means what will be there? Thousands. We will write the place value also. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now here 3 digits is more or lesser than 4 digits. Hundreds are more or lesser than thousands. Tell me. It is less. Hundreds are less than the thousands. 3 digits is less than the 4 digits. So which sign you will put? Like this. The mouth is opened to the greater number. Like this. This sign is the lesser sign. So 867 is lesser than 9436. Okay children? And one more example also will do. See. 8. We'll write the place value. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. What is the first step? Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Both are same. First step over. First rule over. Now go to the second rule. What is the second rule? First compare the thousands place. Here see here the thousands place are same. Here 3, here 3. Then second rule also over. Then what we will do? Then go to the hundreds place. We'll see that 2 digits are same or not. Hundreds place. Here in the hundreds place 6 is there. Here in the hundreds place 7 is there. Both are same? No. We'll write here. 6 and 7. Now you tell me 6 is greater or lesser than 7? Lesser. 6 is lesser. Here this is greater. Now the mouth is open to the greater number. So you put the same sign here. 3642 is lesser than 3748. Understood? One more also I will tell you. Here I will write one number 4236 and one more number 4257. First rule what? We will count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not writing the place values now because already you know. Now here also count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Now next step what? Compare thousands place. So thousand place we will put the finger like this. Here thousands place, here thousands place. 4, 4 same. Then the third step what? Go to hundreds place. Here 2, then here also 2. Both are same. Then what you must do? Go to the next. What is the next place? Tens. So here 3 and here 5. Both are same? No. So we put here 3 and here 5. Now you tell me 3 is greater or lesser than 5? It is lesser. Lesser sign how you put like this. The same thing you write here. 4236 is lesser than 4257. Understood children? Now one more will do. 7842. Here also 7842. First step what? Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. First step is 4 digits here. Here also count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. Over. What is the second rule? Compare the thousands place. Same. Then go to the next place. 8. Hundreds place. 8, 8 same. Then go to the tens place. 4, 4. Here also same. Then what we will do? We will go to the ones place. 2, 2. Both are same. Then what you will put here? Equal to. Both are same means you will put equal to. 7842 is equal to 7842. Okay children? And one more also I will give you. 8675. 8674. First rule what? Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Here also count the digits. 4 digits. Then next rule. First thousands place. Same. Go to the hundreds place. Same. Go to the tens place. Same. Now ones place. Both are same? No. Here what? 5 is there. And here 4 is there. Now 5 is greater or lesser than 4? 5 is greater or lesser than 4? Greater. Here the mouth is open. Here greater sign you must put. 8675 is greater than 8674. I think you all understood how to compare 4-digit number. Rules are there. You must follow the rules. What is the first? Once again we will do the revision part of the rules. First rule what? Compare. First count the digits. If both are same, then go to thousands place. Highest place value you compare. Then that also same, go to the next place. If that also same, go to the next place. If that also same, go to the next place. All the numbers are same, you put equal. If any different is there, if it is greater, put the greater sign. If it is lesser, put the lesser sign. Okay children, you all understood how to compare the number and the face value. Face value is nothing but the same number, whichever digit they are asking, the same number you will get, that is a face value. Okay children, now I will give you the homework part for you. You copy down in one book, you all copy down these all and keep it aside another page. You copy the homework, answer it and keep. I will check your answers. Okay. Okay children, you all understood how to compare the numbers and the face value of each digit. Okay children, now I am giving the homework for you. Once I will explain the homework also. Here you must put greater sign, first one greater one, lesser one and equal one. You must follow the rules, compare it and put the sign. If it is greater sign you put, lesser means lesser sign. Both are equal, put equal in the box. Even below, here this one you copy in one book and answer it. Now, here write the face value of each digit. Here I gave the number 4623 and each place value also I wrote. What is the face? Face value. Remember it. Face value. Face value means what also I told. Not place value. Face value. If you see in the mirror, same face you will get. Same digit. Remember it. Face value of 3, 2, 6, 4. What is the face value? You write here. The same, another one also I gave you. 5639. Face value of each digit you must write there. And one more thing, learn and write. Till now I told you to learn the tables only. So today onwards, learn the tables and write tables 2 to 5. Okay children, thank you.